Okay, right now I'm basting some house barbecue sauce on our St. Louis style ribs. This is Leroy Selman's at 2424 Tyrone Boulevard.
When you think of Leroy Selman, you think of mouth-watering, soul-satisfying comfort food.
We've taken some of Mama Selman's original recipes and brought them into today's world. But here we are at the heart of our kitchen. This is our smoker. We still smoke everything the old-fashioned way over hard wood, good old-fashioned hickory.
Executive Chef Dave Del Rio has been with Leroy Selman since the beginning. What does his culinary master love about cooking?
There's nothing like walking through a dining room full of happy guests that are eating your food and you're looking at it and you know they're getting enjoyment out of it. It doesn't get much better than that. It really doesn't. Here we have our twisted southern chicken. Smashed potatoes, grilled chicken breast, maple bacon cream corn, melted cheddar cheese, sour cream, and diced tomatoes.
And if you need to cut back on the sauce, Selman also offers lighter fare.
And next we have our fresh grilled salmon with citrus barbecue sauce and steamed broccoli. And finally, we have one of the things that we're really known for. We have our slow-smoked St. Louis rib, cornbread casserole, and our homemade collard green medley.
Whether you're looking for a great place to watch the big game or just hang out with good friends, Selman will satisfy your hunger.
We hope that they not only get a great meal, but they feel the heartwarming hospitality that the Selman family is known for. So they're going to come in, get great food, have a great experience, be treated like nowhere else, and want to come back and feel like they're coming to a friend's home to have dinner.